Whoa! Show me what you got. That's a serious weapon you're packing. Is it all for you? You don't know so me want you, and you want me. Come on! Put that thing in and let me scream. Kiss Katrina. Kiss Katrina. You can have it. He's on my bed. Honey, this is the key to my room, honey. Room 247. And a little something for you.
I don't believe it.
Make sure me see you there after work. Yeah?
Leave the man alone and make him do driving. Hi, guys, come on now. It's time for a toast. Time for a toast.
Yes, delicious.
To Max, in the next 10 hours, you will no longer be a single woman, but a married woman in shackles.
Congratulations, Max. Marriage is fabulous.
Yeah. Honey, child, you sure you did the right thing?
You couldn't be asking me that now, Ginger.
You know, you really know how to spoil a party.
Yeah, come on, Ginger. You know Max is marrying a man she loves and adores. You
Hey,
know that.
girls, all I'm doing, I'm just trying to save her.
Save me from what?
All right, let me give you some advice about men.
Not tonight, Ginger, not tonight.
Ginger, we've heard it a million times and before. Let it go.
Tonight is my night, okay? My night with my friends, not Ginger's night, my night.
Okay, Max, as your chief bridesmaid and best friend, my lips are sealed.
Good.
Okay. Anyway, what I know about men is beyond any of your comprehension.
Oh, now come on, now.
Chloe, don't indulge her, man.
No, hold on. Have I stolen you, man? Tell me because I'd like to know.
Max, men are like dogs and should be treated accordingly.
Yours may be Ginger, but not mine. Not mine.
Honey, don't shoot the messenger.
Nobody gave you a message,
No
okay?
one.
This is just another chapter in the life of Ginger and what men did to her, and we don't care. Yeah, Ginger, why is it that you insist on living in the past?
I do.
Yes, you
Oh,
do.
yes, Max. That is your big line for tomorrow.
Yes, Ginger, you do live in the past. Not because your first husband left you for a younger model. That don't mean you have to condemn all men. You know what? Come on, ladies. This is supposed to be Max's big night, okay? So let's have some fun.
It's okay, Michelle, it's okay. Let's indulge her. Since you insisted calling tonight for me and my closest friend, go on. Knock yourself out. But no matter what you say or do, that won't stop me from marrying Danny tomorrow. So go on, let's see why we should treat men like dogs.
Because
what?
Danny hasn't done anything for me to upset me.
Okay, he hasn't done anything for you to mistrust him. Not yet, honey. Not yet.
What do you mean by that?
Listen to me. You say all when the man them not do nothing wrong, still accuse them.
Hold on. Do you know
Because they're not gonna do it anywhere. Sooner or later. Pick an argument with your man every month. Listen carefully to every detail when he tell you. And as soon as you hear the lie, then you have him. Because man can't remember which lie them tell you. From one day to the next.
Ginger, you are sublime. One of a kind.
You know about that talk, girlfriend, with for your history.
Do you know something about my man that I don't?
You know?
Yeah, come on. You should tell Max before it's too late if you know something, Ginger.
Would you, Chloe?
Of course I would. I mean, we're all mates, aren't we? I don't want to see any of you done over by a blow.
She's just playing devil's advocate. More like un Jean provocateur. She's bluffing.
Am I?
Spilly guts, tell me what you know about my man.
Okay, girlfriend, listen. You see the first 3 times I got married, girls, it was for love.
No.
The 4th time, boredom. The 5th time, project.
I've never heard this before, so what is it that you mean by that, Ginger?
Our mothers, naive as they were, told us to marry for love, right? But what will love bring you? Nothing but heartache and trouble. No, if you treat the marriage like a project, you can end up with all kinds of benefits.
Well, I'm a young bride and I didn't get married for benefits. I got married for love.
Michelle, you're a fool.
What are you calling her for?
No, it seems like you're in denial about how over men you are, Ginger. You're still talking from a place of bitterness and hurt.
Listen to me. Max, come here, tell me something. What do you really want from your marriage to Danny?
You're going to tell me, right, Mystic May?
Okay, security, right? Stability, pension plan, shared income, etc. Right? Then no, the man asks you, what do I get from you? And you answer him, I will bear your children.
They're your children too, Ginger. Your children as well.
Whatever. Then you know, with your foolish self, go promise him fidelity and that you won't get too fat. You also promise to care for him when he's sick or old. Oh my God. Girlfriend, listen to it now. Then now the man asks you, what about sex? How often will I get it? Once, twice a week, and what about weekends and holiday? Girlfriend, let me tell you something. Try tell the man, not if you're sick or have headache. If he agrees to your term, you say, okay, sign here. There you go, girls. Sign, seal, delivered.
Excuse me. I think you're wrong. Marriage is just like love. It needs time to grow and it needs nourishment to flourish.
Yes, honey, time this girl don't have.
I'm not surprised.
Well, I'd like
Listen
to think
to my husband.
I'd like to think that I'm getting married for love. And not what I can get out of a man.
Look at my husband, JP. Real idiot.
Aren't you still married to him? Huh? Aren't you still married to him, though?
JP, honey, is like a strong, firm tree with money. And me, I the leech will latch on to that. Don't you get it, girls? As females, we are led by our DNA, like lambs to the slaughter, pleading with a man, marry me, marry me. We're behaving like zombies. Girls, you don't need to wake up.
And my parents been married for 45 years, and I've never heard them say a bad word about each other.
Girl, listen to me. Ask your mother if she still love your father, and you know what you will say? I don't hate him, and I don't love him. Anyway, you don't know them is still under him. Because me can't do no better now.
Well, I refuse to believe it's that simple, Ginger. I mean, our parents might have married for benefits without realising it, but it's different these days. Women have got much more choice than our mothers did.
That's right.
Yeah.
But hold on, Ginger. Are you saying that marriage is just much ado about nothing?
Absolutely. And can I give it a classic excuse women come up with about 4 years into their marriage? It goes something like this. Oh, there is just so much to do. Oh, the children, the housework, the cooking, the cleaning. I can't even take care of myself anymore. I know, girls, because I've been there, done that.
Well, listen, girl. I don't want to rain on your parade. But I'd like to think I'm quite comfortable enough in my own skin to know how to love and respect my man. As Chloe says, we are equal.
In which life? In which life? No woman in my lifetime or yours is ever going to be equal to a man, no care how much you earn.
Oh, come on, Ginger. Listen to me. All you ever do is deceive your men. So what do you know?
How long you think Max and Daniel will last?
Do I look like a bookie?
2 years, 3 years. Before she starts all out her life.
Come on, man. Ginger, why don't you just do us a favor and leave? Go on, leave.
Really?
Yeah, why don't you just leave?
No, she can't. Because you know what? It's all about attention, attention, attention.
Do you know what, Max? I think it sounds like you're a bit jealous of Danny and Max.
I think so too, but why?
Are you saying what I think you're saying? That Ginger wants my man?
Maybe.
I think so. I mean, she slept with everyone's man that we know of.
Even mine.
Yeah, but what me I do with Max, man.
Well, you're always so negative about relationships, and theirs in particular. Look, Max is so happy. I mean, look at that little face. So stop being so doom and gloom and let him enjoy their happiness.
Thank you, Chloe. Thank you.
You're welcome.
How could I be so evil as to try and trick Danny in a lie? I couldn't live with myself for being so devious.
Girlfriend, all I'm saying is that they are called men, and in the end, they will betray you.
How the fuck do you know what? What's with you two? Have you been fucking him as well?
Come on, Ginger, answer the question. Go ahead.
Yeah, come on. We'd like to know how much of a true friend you really are.
So we can keep our men from the likes of you.
All me adultery. I telling you the truth. I don't want to beat me for that.
No. You're projecting your version of the truth, Ginger. Your hang-ups, your baggage onto our lives.
Oh, well, honey, nobody's perfect.
Well, I'm not trying to be perfect. I'm just trying to do what's best for me and Danny. Okay?
Max, we must have boundaries for our men.
No. I mean, Chloe's right. You're trying to put your sordid thoughts in our heads so that we can start mistrusting our men and become all bitter and twisted like you.
Girlfriend, do you know what a wife stands for?
I don't know.
Washing, cooking, ironing, and fucking. All in that order.
Well, my husband's a wonderful man. Look, I've been married for 5 years. I don't regret a minute I've spent with him.
Oh, Oscar.
Let me tell you, the most important thing in the relationship is to talk. Talk. Just keep on talking.
Oh, no,
Always
idiot,
talk.
you're idiot. Man, don't care what we have to say. Them don't care what we have to say. All I'm interested in is what is between our legs. And personally, girlfriends, I will sleep with any man to get what I want.
We know that. We know you're cheap. Just cheap.
Look who's talking. Girlfriends, listen to me. Listen to me, girls. This girl love our fuck.
Oh, my God. Is it common?
Me like when a man cock up my foot in the air.
Man, no.
And make me feel pain. Is what? So when a man sleep around, it's okay? Is that what you're all saying? Huh? What's wrong with a little variety?
Or AIDS even.
AIDS, no, honey. This girl always have her condom. Rough Rider. And just in case she needs a little help, extra help, honey, coming up, Miss Summers.
Well, personally, I don't see the point of sex without love. Just makes you sad.
What time is it, Ramadan?
What time is it?
What are you talking about?
No. Nobody needs to know the time, because we're not leaving here until we're legless. Waiter!
You know what? You're really clever, Ginger. You know, you wear a mask to hide your true feelings, but you see, underneath it all, you're a victim, aren't you, really? You know, you despise men for taking away your power, but this indifference towards them, well, it's all just a front, isn't it? You've actually been really hurt, haven't you? Yeah. I mean, that's why you despise men, isn't it? It's because they took away all your power. You see, and it's because you're afraid of them. So, do you consider yourself a giving person then, Ginger?
Yes, honey, this girl sure gives.
Then why don't you go home and say thank you to your husband?
Why should I thank a man I hate? Should be lucky I haven't left him yet.
So why are you still with him?
Financial security. Plus he would be lost like a baby without me.
Well, why don't you go home and tell him thank you for that?
Scared? Because telling a man thanks for financially supporting you might mean you need him for something.
Yeah. You see, the trouble with you, Ginger, is that you're desperately searching for something to complete your life when you can't see it standing there right in front of you.
Riddle me this, riddle me that, guess me this riddle and parrots not. Ginger, you've been sauced,
All right then, ladies and gents, listen up. Tonight is a very special night for a young lady who's here called Maxine. Maxine, are you there? All right, darling, you've got to get yourself down on that dance floor right now. Your friends have got a special surprise for you.
to sit down.
Just tell me where my daughter is.
Please. Mr. and Mrs. Wilder, we were called to your home at 4 a.m. this morning by your neighbours. They heard screaming coming from this house. Look, I'm afraid I have some rather sad news for you about your daughter, Nicole. She's been murdered.
Nicole? Murdered?
Look, I realise this must come as a shock to you, but I'm afraid I must ask you some questions. Where were you tonight, sir? Why was Nicole left home on her own?
I was just half an hour. Half an hour. I put Nicole to bed at about 7 o'clock. And I checked the doors and the windows were locked. I drove my wife to a hen party and then I came straight back.
How long did that take, sir?
20, 30 minutes, you know. And then I went upstairs and I checked on Nicole and she was fast asleep.
It's now 7 in the morning. By my calculations, you left your daughter home alone all night. Your wife was at a hen party, yes? You, sir, where were you?
I was just down the road at my neighbour's, Jean-Paul, having a quick drink.
All night?
Yeah, I came back and I checked on Nicole and she was fine.
Before she was killed?
What do you mean?
Well, it's been raining heavily tonight, sir. Can't help but notice that you're still dry.
I said I was just down the road at my neighbour's having a quick drink.
Of course you were, sir.
Well, you can go and check if you want, detective. What? You think I did this? You think I murdered my own daughter?
It's not unheard of, sir.
Well, you can go and look somewhere else.
Well, look, if you're innocent...
What do you mean if? We didn't kill Nicole.
You both arrived home at exactly the same time. How do you explain that?
My wife sent me a text asking me to pick her up.
Really?
Look, listen, Inspector. You go and find my daughter's killer, all right? Go and find the man that killed my daughter.
Man? How do you know it was a man?
Well, I just assumed it was a man.
Well, we don't assume, sir. We deal in facts.
Look, I know the first people you have to suspect these days are the parents, but surely you can't believe that we would hurt her.
Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Detective Inspector Maygrave.
Well, Detective, please, just leave.
Mrs. Wilder, this is a crime scene. I'm afraid my investigations are a long way from being finished.
I don't care. My little girl is dead and you're treating us like suspects, asking us these ridiculous questions.
Would you like to be taken to see your daughter's body?
No, I don't.
No? I assume you'd want to
Don't
see your...
assume anything.
Quite right, Mrs. Wilder.
I'd like to see her.
Funny. As her mother, well, I would have thought you'd, Obviously, I'm wrong.
Got children of your own, Detective?
Yes. I have 7 beautiful girls.
Well, you don't know what it's like to lose your own child, do you? Your own flesh and blood. I want to remember my daughter as she was, young and full of laughter, not lying on a cold slab in a morgue or cut open.
As you wish, Mrs. Wilder.
Inspector, my wife is Nicole's stepmother.
Really, sir? I wasn't aware of that.
And I loved her with all my heart, you must believe me.
Now, I'm not the one you have to convince. Look, a few things are puzzling me. You were both out at the same time, yes? Well, you should be aware that I know from our records about the death of your other daughter, Natasha. So, it seems this is not the first time one of your...
Listen, we were cleared of all charges. Natasha's death was not our fault.
Nothing ever seems to be your fault, madam. Your first child also died in suspicious circumstances as far as I'm concerned, so if it wasn't your fault, whose fault was it?
How dare you speak to me like this?
Your daughter is dead, Mrs. Wilder. And I, for one, would like to get to the bottom of it.
Well, I refuse to tolerate any more of your ridiculous accusations regarding my daughter, Detective.
Stepdaughter, Mrs. Wilder. I know you're hiding something. I'll get to the bottom of it. I promise you that.
Detective!
Don't you even want to know how your precious little stepdaughter died, madam?
No.
Well, maybe I should tell you. That little girl was raped. She was strangled, and she was stabbed 4 times. In her stomach, in her chest, in her neck, and in her back. That is how your precious little stepdaughter met her fate, left alone in this house all night. People like you make me sick.
I love that little girl.
Yeah, so you keep saying.
You're a good old man. I want you out of here. Get out, get out!
If you're gonna charge us, do it. No? Well, get out.
Yeah. And take your vile accusations with you. Can't believe this is happening to us. How can one family be cursed with such luck?
I have one further question.
No!
It'll only take a moment.
We're done here, Inspector. We're done!
Okay. I'll come back tomorrow.
I think the universe is trying to tell us something.
Just one more thing.
You're a persistent bastard, aren't you?
Who's Mavis?
Why?
She another one of your...
What are you implying?
That your husband is a liar.
Leave, detective.
As you wish.
So who is Mavis? Don't you turn your back on me.
What do you want from me, Chloe?
Stop lying to me.
I've got no reason to lie to you.
You're a man, aren't you? So, this one pregnant too?
Which one of them? Why did you do that? Why did you do that?
I've always been faithful to you. You don't right to do this to me. What about the children?
Any of them mine? Why'd you slap me again? Listen. I've got something to tell you, right? And it never seems like there's going to be a right moment for it. So, I'm leaving you.
To go where? Leaving me? I don't understand.
I've met someone else and we've fallen in love.
What? I can't believe you're doing this to me. We just lost our daughter.
Listen, Chloe, I'm not setting out to hurt you or anything, but it just seemed to happen that way, all right? Well, say something.
What do you want me to say? That I knew that it was coming? Well, Didn't suspect a thing, Oscar. Not a thing. I love you. I can't believe you're doing this to me, to us. How can you do it?
I just don't love you the way you love me. And as every day goes by, I find myself wanting to be with her more and more and more.
Why didn't you say something to me?
I didn't want to hurt you.
What are you doing now? How long's it been going on?
For 4 years.
4 years? 4 years you've been lying to me. Making love to another woman, cheating on me 4 years. You're pathetic. No wonder you didn't want to say something to me.
I wanted to tell you, but I just couldn't bring myself to doing it. I wanted to make sure I was doing the right thing. And then as the years went by, I just found myself going through the motions. I had no desire for you, no feelings for you. And that's when I realized that our relationship was dead.
Not for me. So there's no hope then?
I'm sorry.
Come on, Oscar. Don't do this to me. We can get things back the way they were. Rekindle the fire, get the magic back again.
No good, darling. I mean, there's just so many different things, you know, and plus, you've just got fat.
Okay. Okay. So if I lose weight, will you come back then, eh? I mean, this is all your fault anyway. You're always so negative about me. I've lost all my confidence. I can't even take my clothes off in front of you anymore.
That's a good thing. Look, I'm not trying to say this to hurt you, but Chloe, you're fat and you've got no shape. No, try and make no excuses, Chloe. You could have gone down the gym.
I can do better, Oscar, I can.
Nah. You just don't do it for me anymore.
This isn't fair. You're my whole world.
Look, this isn't getting us anywhere, all right? I don't enjoy making love to you anymore. And every time we do it, it's just like the same old, same old. I'll tell you what, I'm going to take my DVD and my record collection. That's all I'm going to take, yeah? I've phoned the bank and I've made provisions for the mortgage to be paid and plus payment to you.
Don't you do this, Oscar. I'm telling you, you regret it. You don't know what you're losing. So tell me about her.
What good will that do?
Help me come to terms with the situation.
We can still be friends, Chloe.
Friends? Friends? Have you lost your mind? You stick your DNA in an old genetic cesspool. Don't you care where your sperm ends up?
Listen, Chloe. You know I love you. And the least you can do is be happy for me. That's her.
Well, I'm happy for you.
Do you mean that?
Yes. So pretty and so young. How old is she?
21.
21! Same age as your eldest daughter, classy, Oscar. How am I supposed to compete with that?
I don't expect you to.
I'm nearly 40.
Don't cry, Chloe.
I'm not. You're leaving me with no hope. I mean, I'm your wife. Don't shake your head. I am.
You were a mistake. And I'm just trying to be as gentle as possible.
So, suppose she's good in bed?
What?
Just tell me.
Oh, yeah. She's wicked in bed, man, I'm telling you. The amount of positions that girl can get me in. And she can go all night. You see, it's too much information, isn't it?
Oscar, come and sit beside me. I can't believe you're leaving me now. Now of all times when I need you more than ever.
I'm so sorry, darling. I feel as though I've deceived you. I feel so ashamed.
No matter what, I am bound to you, Oscar. And I will never, ever give up on you.
Yeah, bam, bam. Ooh. Oh, baby. Yeah, baby, nice and strong. Ooh. That's my boy. Come on, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Ooh, 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 oh, 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 ooh, yeah. Ooh, oh, baby. Oh, you good boy. Yeah. Yeah, bam, bam.
I don't know much longer I can keep this up, you know. Come on, man.
There go the man foot. This is what you should be doing. Now go in the bathroom and wait until I come. Now.
Will you be long?
What do you think?
Hold it.
My husband. Damn idiot, lay down, baby.
A phone.
Yeah, baby, back to where we were, baby. Come on. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Work. Yeah, baby. Work that body. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Oh, baby. Come on, baby. Work the body. Work, baby. Yeah.
Ginger!
Black stallion. How much more oil?
50 pounds.
50 pounds. Clean up that weapon. Good boy. Now don't let Bam Bam put you anywhere else. You hear me, baby? Mwah. Black stallion.
Yeah, man. You give me too much.
That's for a job well done. And for lasting more than 2 minutes.
Big man, respect my boss. You have a lovely wife. Take good care of her. You see me?
Remember your shoes.
Why, Ginger? Why can't you see how much you are hurting me?
Me never know me I hurt you, honey. Hush.
I'm your husband. Why did you call me away from my job under false pretense? So that I can come home and witness another man making love to you?
Who, Bam Bam? He was only fucking me. Okay? You know, answer that.
No.
Answer the damn door. Before my box you down.
Box me. You can't humiliate me any more than you have already. Go away.
Hey, JP, open the door, man. I mean, snapper.
Not now, Snapper. I have just come home and witnessed my wife making love with another man. Again, another man, I tell you.
So, Bob, you know, box it. Oh, let me, man. You know, box it down. Box. Oh, let me.
audience. Tell him what I do to you.
JP, you're gonna make a good dirty girl talk to you, sir. Start, assure me.
What you will do about it, Batty boy? Come, Batty boy, come. Come, Batty boy. Batty boy, come.
Hey, girl, you see you just like the high maintenance whore.
Come. Don't stop him. Why you stop him for JP? Make him come.
How can you get a man born?
Burn him, yes, to my pussy.
Stop it! I said no!
Stop him, just box me.
No, make him box me. Don't stop him. Make him box me. Snapper, you hurt me once. Never again.
Hey, girl, me hurt you. Because when we did there with you, your pussy is stretch out.
Because you couldn't manage the work.
Ginger! This is between you and I, not between you and Snapper. What you two had was over a long time.
Where you go? Come here to me.
I apologize. I'm sorry for raising my voice at you.
JP, box the girl.
You're not my keeper.
Yes, I am. I'm your husband. And I came home and caught you and that.
Oh, yeah, so what you good about it? And for the record, I wanted you to catch me in action, to show you how it's done. Till you get out of my life.
Is this the way you treat our marriage? I have only ever loved you. And what is so funny?
No, you? You call this marriage? It's not even worth the shit paper it's written on.
So what then? Where you married the man for?
For money, no love.
So why you never tell him that before you married to him?
I did, honey. Seem to ask him.
Sure, JP. Look on her. She too old to breed, and too violent to keep as a pet. We are doing that, a dinosaur. Sure.
JP, honey, I did make love to Bam Bam, okay? The Pepsi and Coke that I drank wasn't me, all right, baby? I was drunk.
Clear out, clear out. I'm my line that I'm used by you when you catch me that other woman. Yeah? I'm my line that, and I brandy and Coke, me say. Pepsi and Coke can't jump nobody. Yeah? You know, see the girl is only use you as a baby stick, yeah? When men do it, they say domestic violence. She has no respect for men.
That's right, none at all.
Sure, look at you. You just have to grab and flee.
Wipe up your face.
Honey, where did we go wrong?
From the start.
How many more chances can I give you?
Honey, I'm trying to do the best that I can with you.
Don't patronize me. I want you to look at me. Listen to me. Love me for who I am. Our Father who art in heaven, give me strength. Why is it that I always choose women that are emotionally crippled?
Stop. That's why I never trust her, you know. As a matter of fact, I don't trust no woman.
Because you can't control them.
And me, tame you, Ginger, me,
Tame who?
Tame you.
You try to impose your will on me, but as we all know, it never works. Because no man can ever tame Ginger. None.
Hey, JP, let me tell you something. JP, listen to me good here. You see, woman are the only creature upon Master God earth. We bleed for 7 days and not dead. Yeah? You can't trust that. You can't trust the enemy within. Yeah, Delilah.
This Ginger with all my heart, and I don't care what you may think of her. Why did you say you were here anyway?
A private matter, just in your ears, my big friend, my family. No, listen.
Ginger, please, tell me what I am doing wrong so that I can make it right.
You now have your friend to keep you company.
Ginger, please, I want our relationship to work. I don't want to lose you. Please, tell me what to do so I can make it right.
JP, get on with your life. Leave me alone with mine. I have Bam Bam. He's young, he's strong. I don't need you.
And how long do you think that will last? He's just using you. I am reliable. I can give you security. What are you going to do when he leaves you?
Honey, I'm just living in the moment and enjoying each moment while it lasts. You have no idea who you're dealing with, do you? I will have my revenge on you, you, and all men. Then it will be complete.
See, one day, you're going to miss me. Just like I miss you. One day, you're going to cry for me, just like I cried for you. One day, you're going to need me, just like I need you. One day, you're going to love me, and I am not going to love you.
Perish the thought.
Ginger. Oh, Ginger. Oh, Ginger. Oh, Ginger.
Star, yo. Stop the cow balling, man. Stop the cow balling, man. Cha. A big man, stop the cow balling, man.
How can I snap her? I love her. Hug me.
What?
Hug me, please.
Hey. Men not do them thing, the JP. Men not do them thing, the man. What business, star?
Snapper, just wrap your arms around me and tell me that everything will be all right. Please.
We get even. Still get even, man.
What did you know? I am willing to lay down my life for her.
Look, man, Ginger is just frustrated. She wants a good fuck from you.
But that's what she just got.
Yes, but not from you. Stop. You don't know how you could have married to Ginger.
What do you mean?
So after Ginger was just a one-night slam. Let me give you, after all, let me tell you what you do to her. You still go married to her.
But Snapper, that was in the past. Even when she was with you, I loved her.
So you lost after me, woman? Star. JP, how much time I tell you how to treat woman?
Snapper, I keep on telling you I can't do that. Just hug me.
You get your hug business, Star. Forget your hug business, no, man. Just cool them, I'm tell you, man. You see every woman out there know how charming, mysterious, and sexy. See? And them love that. Them love a man who can lie to them and con them. Yeah, let me tell you, that's why I never married, you know. You see, every woman may have believe them so them can't get to hurt me. You see what I want you?
So you use them.
So why are you saying that for?
Snapper, I am here with my broken heart. And the only thing that you can do is brag and boast, Snapper, leave.
JP, and you get yourself in that shit. Yeah, let me tell you, man. You see, each one you have to treat them differently. Them all have different needs. Let me not show you, man, JP. Let me tell you, man, there's not one out there who me can control and make fall in love with me. Not one of them.
Snapper, that is utter rubbish.
Star, all you have to do sex, witty banter, you know?
You mean from you?
That's just school, man. A relationship, a child, alcohol. Anything, let me tell you, it's simple. It's just supply and demand. Yeah? It's economics, star. It's economics. Let me tell you. You see when them start, when you bet the demand and them start, you start supply and them start compete, then you start move back little, pull out little. Let me tell you, stop pick up them picnic from school. Yeah? Disappear for days. Stop sending them flowers. Yeah? Do answer them phone call. And then now, well, all of a sudden they start get frustrated and I wonder what I want, you know, and they start to think so they can't live without you. At that time now, you start get some street folk from them. Star, let me tell you. But you see when the folks start to get stale, star, you just move out fast, yeah? And then that mess up her head, and she start to think to herself, what she do wrong? And she start fight to get you back.
And did you go back?
Yeah, sometime, but only for 1 or 2 nights, and then that's it. You move again. Star, let me tell you, man, Ginger is just bored with you because you're always here. Women need inconsistency, here? Let me tell you, man, them want a snapper to keep them guessing, here? Let me tell you, how women say, women, them want a quick fuck, yeah? Sir, sometimes you just come home and you just look and you say, one bam, thank you, ma'am, sir. Another time, you don't even say thank you, just say one bam. Sir, sometimes you come home, you just accuse her of something and box her for nothing, yeah? Let me tell you, man, let me tell you, you see, anyhow, you treat them too good, they leave you for somebody else, here, what, see them, ask them what I am. Woman, star.
Snapper, I keep on telling you, I am different.
Very.
I don't have it in me to treat women with such contempt. Why did you say you were here anyway?
Oh, boy, your guest room upstairs.
What for?
Me have a new girl, Moan, Saka.
And what about using an hotel?
Hotel, star, you think me have money for waste? But plus that, me don't have a girl can fuck. Hey, you remember what happened to me the last time?
Yes, Snapper, you went to see this girl. You had an accident while you were coming.
Hold on. Are your story or mine?
It's yours, Snapper.
This time, let me tell it then now.
But I am tired of hearing it. Okay, Snapper, tell me the story.
Start. You remember Betty? The little dirty Christian girl from Wellingborough? Star. After the girl called me up, you know. Yeah, called me up, you know, and tell me she must come spend the night with her. JP, a 4 times me ask the girl if she sure. A 4 times the girl answer me and say, yes, she sure. Tonight we're going to contaminate the relationship, right? Because, Star. You don't know me, you know. If within the first week me not jump down at the drawers, relationship done. Hear me, remember me tell you, done.
And you think that's enough time to get to know her?
JP, me don't want to marry the girl, you know. So, after me tell you, JP, you remember the brand new SUV me buy? Me jump in on the brand new SUV, you know, JP. And say, see me a drive for Wellingborough. JP, out 70 miles from London in Wellingborough this. And JP, you know me drive slow already. At 30 minutes it take me to reach up there. Yeah? JP, and you know, all me I think about, you know, what me I go do with the girl, you know, Star? What kind of position me I go put in? Me I wonder what kind of dress see everything, you know. Let me start, me I start thinking, say, boy, it's going to get boring because she a Christian, we only go do it in the missionary position. What's that? Me just forget about that, you know, Star. Me just drive and go on. JP, you said me reach the girl yard.
You mean Betty?
Yeah, Betty, Star. You said me reach the girl yard. Star, you know, yeah, man. Me you. Star, you said me reach the girl. You know man go on already. When me tell you man go on already. Star, me go there, you know. And me kick out my shoes and me sit down for a while. And she give me a Red Bull and me drink off that fast. Cause me done prepare up myself already, you know. Cause through me know say I do pum. Me ready for it already, you know, Star. So after me sit down there, you know, Star, 1 hour pass, I mean, just not now go on. So me decide for the first move. So me take out my trousers. Here to me, no? What you doing?
Well, maybe she had a change of mind.
Change of which Ross mind? Star, she know when me come there for. She know where she ever get here. So me now say to her, say, what you mean? Star, she not answer me. So me sit down there again and me I watch and me I say, and if I me use my head, hear me now. Me I go to bed. Here now, we do. Me say, JP, Jambul just dead same time. you to spend the night, but in a hotel by yourself, so we can go to church together in the morning. He said, JP, we nearly balling on JP. I know I couldn't believe him here.
So what happened next?
Sam, I remember what next, look, I'm so vexed, you know. Me just grab my trousers by the waist, you know, and drive outside, you know, JP. JP, you know, me so brief. Yeah. JP, you remember me tell you, say, it take me 30 minutes to reach a Wellingborough, and 15 minutes it take me to reach back a London, JP. Here, 15 minutes, sir. When me walk through our door, I slam the door, every window in our flat chair. JP, when me jump in on my SUV, you know, me open the window, and I blast the music. Driver, don't stop at all. Yeah. You understand? JP, you see me a driver come, me forget to the window, open, you know, one swarm of bees, must have on migration from Africa. Come in at the van for me, JP. JP, me forget to drive me a driver, so me check out. JP, when me drop in a star, me just drop splat. Here, the van in a star run and wrap on one tree, mash up. Here, me mash up.
You mean it was right off?
No, it never right off. It mash up. Star. Me say star. Me say star. Me say look out part. I'm in a star. JP, me broke my hand, me broke my foot, me sprained my eyelash. You ever think that? JP, me I tell you a star. Me say in a star. Me broke up everywhere now. JP, the police come and they arrest me for dangerous driving. You see when the paramedics come, blood that come from all about me and JP. JP me nearly dead. You know what days we spend at the hospital? Me could have dead all because of a Christian girl.
No, Snapper, it's not because of her.
So now what?
It's because of the vagina. That's what mashed up your car and nearly cost you your life.
Yeah. You're right, you know, JP, you're right. What a man would do if you had a little pussy?
Tell me something, Snapper. Why didn't you try a little intimacy? You know that most women would prefer a little intimacy before actual sex, you know.
I want to... JP, I want him intimacy. Say, me know what you talk about. You know, all they want you have a quick come and come here. That's all. What hope is there with a Christian girl?
My point exactly. So, did you ever see her again?
Yeah. One time we go to Jamaica Star. You see, as we reach at the airport, that's she that me see, she and her pastor. I come call, what?
And what did you do?
Yeah, what me do, she a call me, must come over the star. Me just cut me, so me come here, me just cut me out, star. Yeah? The star. She did a call me. So eventually me go over there to her. You see me walk over the JP. You see her she that open her mouth. So me give her one box. Yeah? I said to her pastor, I said, pray for that. Yeah? And walk out. Star. Me just jump in the plane and come home. You hear me? That must have dead for days. Yeah? So what about the room?
Snapper, haven't you learned anything? My house is not a brothel.
But your wife just use it as one.
That's my wife. What about your girlfriend, Delicious?
Yeah, just worry about her, man. She knows I love pussy already. What?
But you told her that.
Then you think me afraid? JP, you have any more excuse? JP, it's just a room me a borrow in a star. It's only 2 hours more. JP, you might not last 2 hours in a show. Me a show off. Yeah? Just come on, man. Give me the star. Me bring me one tissue and me one sheet. What you say, JP?
No. If I allow you to use my room, then I'm condoning the way you treat women.
You're right, you know, JP. You're all right. JP, you're a gynecologist, see? So you must get to feel up, wipe a pum-pum, don't?
Snapper, I keep on telling you it's not sexual, it's my profession.
Oh, sin. So you're a professional pum-pum feeler? Yes. JP, you can't talk to your boss and then give me a work. Cause JP, enough pum-pum me feel up, you know, JP. You could have done work. Still, JP, me I tell you, you see, woman JP, I'm the best exercise machine we got ever created, you know. Cause when me I walk a girl, JP, you know what
Snapper, don't be ridiculous because you're not that good.
If you're not girl, me, I show you. But star. Anyway, star. Anyway, me, I show you, man. I show me a time, man. Can you see this new girl, you know? You see this new girl, what I mean?
Doesn't she have a name?
Well, that have been doing anything.
You didn't bother to find out the young lady's name.
JP, and a census, me, I take, you know. Stars. Yeah, man, I'll be saying this new girl, when we meet the new girl in a star, when you look on her, you know, our face start to ugly star. It's a girl you look on twice. But it's when the girl turn around, and me see the backside, I saw John Bull get up, you know. JP! Me say me could have pulled Val across the room. One night, he couldn't go down back in a JP.
Snapper,
Huh?
what else do you know about this young lady?
She married and she had 2 picnics. No, that should be a good fuck.
Why?
It's when you're married and you have teeth a little piece. That's sweet, you know, JP. And what do you want?
And what are you going to do about this young lady's ugliness?
JP, you're no man. And what do you just put a pillow over her face and turn it back way? And what do you, JP? And what do you, JP? Wait. Kung Fu? Are you this Kung Fu? Wait, yo, you are. JP, you never tell me say your father live with you. Oh, you do? What? Kuya, you cripple and suit dead door, man.
One day, it will happen to you.
Any day that happened to me, kill myself.
So, you're still not talking to me? We can't go on like this. You're still my son.
Don't you dare use that word in your mouth. You were just a sperm donor who had intercourse with my mother and left her to die.
You're right, I deserve it. But no, I'm crippled with cancer and a stroke, and I want to make amends. But whatever you say, I did the best I could for you back then.
For who? For my mother? That's all you old people can say. I did the best I could. Well, it wasn't good enough. For me or for the thousands of young men out there.
Well, what's done's done.
Not for me. You walked out on my mother knowing how much she loved you. Mother turned to drugs and alcohol because of you. Are you proud of yourself?
I'm sorry, but she was not your responsibility.
That's right, she wasn't mine, she was yours.
I know, my son, I know. You're my firstborn. All I want for you is to call me Dad. Please, John Paul, just call me Dad.
Why? So you can go and boast and pretend as if you were a good father? Meet my big son? You would love that, wouldn't you?
What do you want from me? Why do you hate me?
Don't you realize how many women damage their boy children when men like you run off with someone better? Black women take out their hatred and their revenge on the boy child that's left behind.
You don't know anything.
Whenever she looked at me, she saw you. I have nothing but contempt for you.
God needed me.
I needed you, me, your son. You should have told God to wait.
How could I choose my son over my God?
God doesn't exist. He's just a figment of your imagination.
Yeah, what kind of man can choose God over his son? Eh? No wonder why you cripple and soon dead.
Just shut up, boy. Shut up. I wasn't speaking to you. John Paul, give me a chance. I haven't changed. I'm still the same man.
Well, I have. What do you know about me? Do you know who brought me up? Do you know who my role models were? Do you know whom I turn to for answers on how to be a man? Those stupid reggae and rap artists who don't know shit. You know, I always thought that you left because of me, because I wasn't worth staying for. You destroyed me.
I am still your father.
Now that it suits you, tell me what it means to be a father then.
I didn't come back because you killed your real mother.
Don't pass the buck, just be a man. You know how many days mother sat and waited and wished that one day you would just walk back through the doors? But she waited in vain, and she never forgave me.
You don't listen to me. I said you killed your real mother, not me. The woman who brought you up was not your birth mother.
So what on? She was a fake woman.
Is this one of your versions of the truth?
No, Jean-Paul, it's the God's truth. And it's time I put the record straight.
What? Are you saying that the woman who I called my mother all my life is not my real mother?
She was your aunt. When your mother died, I left you with her.
So hold on. Let me get this straight. You was having an affair with JP auntie, who him thinks I'm mama, while you did still there with him real mama?
She trapped me.
Trap you? Don't lie. Was this before or after my real mother died?
Before.
Didn't you love my mother?
I did, but I'm also a man who loves women. I took care of you financially then, and now it's your turn to take care of me.
Financially? My mother couldn't even afford PE kit for me at school. I had to wear my school shoes to play football in. Not to mention the thousands of school trips that I never went to because we were so poor. Financially, I don't even know you.
Your mother.
Why the affair? And with our own sister.
You wouldn't understand.
Try me.
When I was a young man, I was a girlist, you know? Gifted down there, and all the women were after me because I was so cute.
You, my friend, a goddess. You could have fooled me. Gifted down there.
And how many women did you impregnate because you were so cute?
About 30. But I did love your mother.
30?
Yes.
So there are about 30 little kung fus running around who have no idea about each other.
Yes.
And you're proud of yourself?
No, I'm not.
You can't say that you love someone and then go around and have 30 relationships while you're still with them.
I don't care what you say. I loved your mother, but I hated you. God, how I hated you.
Oh, so it was my fault.
Your real mother forced me to save your life over hers. There were complications with the delivery, and the doctors had to choose one of you, to save one of you. In the last moment, she made me swear that I would save you and bring me up. But I've forgiven you.
Forgive me. I feel better already.
We are a family again. I want you to meet your brothers and sisters.
Listen, old man. I might wear glasses, but I am not blind. We were never a family, and we will never be a family. Your other offsprings that you have, I want nothing to do with them or you.
So why are you taking those pills, old man? You're soon dead.
Thank you, Ginger, for caring. I might as well be dead. I'm taking the tablets because my wife wants me to perform.
What do you mean perform? What do you mean perform?
Sex, boy. I don't know what to do with this anymore. She wants sex every night, and I could lose her, and it's killing me. But how can I tell her that I'm not interested in having sex anymore without her leaving me?
Sex? Sorry, what do that? What kind of fool? Me never know say you need pill for use your tongue. But that you kung fu come in and what you can't do. I tell you what you do kung fu. Care to me, and when me done with that, me care back to you. What you say?
So tell me something, how old she is?
What you question the man for? How old she is?
She'll be 28 next birthday.
And you're almost 80. What's wrong with you?
Your old man better than you. At least him can stand up.
Let me see you buckle. Let me see you buckle. Let me see you buckle. Be ratchet.
Snapper, what are you doing, man?
Huh? Just in case something dropped on my lap, you know? Where key, JP?
What key? Don't you bother with that again.
Oh, so you find a new girl. Delicious know about it.
Do I care? What the high does in the heart no grieve?
Okay, okay.
Ratchet.
Ginger, do you trust me?
JP, we're back on that again? For the last time, JP. You're too weak for me. Okay? I need a strong man.
But I am strong, Ginger. Not because I cry, that doesn't mean that I am weak. I am strong. And I am going to prove it to you. Because I have had enough of you.
Who are you talking to like that?
You bitch!
The world has turned. JP, no boxing.
You can go and live with your little renter boy. And let him support you from now on. And you see, if you're thinking of taking me to court, I'll burn this shit down to the ground before you get anything from me.
Boxing, kick it.
You wanted a bad man? All right. You just come and test me now. Who the backside is that? Come in.
No, backside first. JP.
And who are you? Another one of my wife's conquests, huh?
Actually, sir, I'm Detective Inspector May Grain. And I'm here to see your wife, Miss Ginger Williams.
What for?
I have a warrant for your arrest. For the attempted murder of a minor.
Murder? I haven't murdered anybody. No!
That's right, I was a lack of our backside.
I didn't murder.
We found your fingerprints on a murder weapon, madam.
You mean on the knife?
How do you know it was a knife?
You said it was a knife.
I didn't mention the type of weapon.
No, I didn't murder anybody. The Delicious and Chloe, they are the ones that are trying to frame me.
Mrs. Williams, please come with us. We can sort it out down at Scotland Yard.
No, I'm not going nowhere. No, the snapper is you. Snapper is you. But JP, please. JP, just help me. Help me, please, JP. No. JP, no. You know how much I love you. I love you, JP.
Shut up, will you chump?
Will you stop the conference right now? No, Michelle! Oh, my God! No!
You see?
Michelle?
Yeah, the baby, stop crying. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
Be calm. I can't take the constant screaming. Will somebody tell it to shut up?
Okay, she's quiet now.
I can't take it.
It's all right, Rach.
Why is God forsaken me? Huh? Why? This is God's way of punishing me. You know, I can feel it and know it.
Baby, all right, Rach.
So you dress, sir?
I'm dressed to please myself, thank you very much.
You look like a cheap little slut. Chat, what? You got back on the game again?
No.
Look at you. Modern dress like good.
ashamed of me, Snapper.
So you're not ashamed of yourself? Eh? When you're up on the street, you're supposed to be representing me. And I say you dress, you pass yourself by date. Don't put on clothes.
Tell me something. Why don't you show me some respect, Snapper? Tell people that I'm your woman, show me that you love me, and marry me.
Delicious, look for me. Even if you have liposuction on your body, me would marry to you. Yeah? Even if you win the lottery, me would marry to you. Yeah? Once a trump, always a trump.
But you're no better.
Exactly, fuck your look.
Not even if you won the rollover lottery.
Listen, don't you ever talk to me like this for your friend come find him again. You hear me? Oh, sorry. Did I hurt you, baby? Sorry about that. You hear? Baby, it's just that I love you so much, boy. Every time I just want to keep it for myself, you know?
Oh, you mean that, Papa?
Me just
You
get
really want
crazy.
yourself? Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. I know you love me.
Delicious. Delicious. Look at Michelle. What's going on with her?
No. I don't want to hear what you're saying. Shh. No, shut up. Gotcha.
Michelle? What are you doing, darling? I mean, there's nothing there.
Didn't you say, Chloe? Chloe was right. It was right there. See? It's there. One of you must have seen it. Why are you all staring at me like I'm mad? I'm not mad. I just keep hearing these voices in my head telling me to do things. No, shut up! No, I will not kill my baby. No, I will kill him. Where's my baby? Where's my baby? So there you are. Come to mommy. No. Every time she hears my voice, she screams, no! She got this. Stop it! What? She have postpartum depression. She needs psychiatric help.
There must be something we can do to help her. We can't leave her.
It's okay. We're here to help you do this.
So what? My baby's got Down syndrome. She's severely handicapped. She'll never walk again, and she has a cold. The doctors only gave her 6 months to live. I didn't drink. I didn't smoke. I ate the right foods, but still my husband blames me for my daughter's condition. So unless you plan to turn back the hands of time, I don't know how it is that you're going to help me. You want help to kill the baby? We will help you.
Ginger, are you mad?
Mad to the mad one, yeah. Why prolong its suffering?
You could at least call her by her name.
It have name? No. Ginger's right. I mean, my baby should have never been born. So Ginger really helped me kill my baby. If it's what you want, yes, we will help you.
Ginger! Don't say that. She's not right in the head.
Me not expert, but the two of them is beyond help. Come, put them out of their misery, come. Nobody is doing any killing, nobody.
Right.
Then how you kill your stepdaughter, Nicole, and try blame me?
I did not kill Nicole, Ginger. Will you get that through your sick head? Nor did I blame you for it either.
So why the police arrest me?
Well, that's a question for you and the police.
You know what, Ginger? You should mind your own business.
Listen to you lot. Just listen to yourselves. No one is going to kill anyone, whether it's premeditated or not. Ginger, you need Jesus in your life.
All right, now Jesus is the only man I would consider.
Because Jesus loves man.
Blasphemer! Satan! How do you know my Savior one of them?
It's written down in your own scriptures that Jesus said one say, follow me and I'll make you fishers of men. Yeah? In there with Mark, Peter, Luke, and John. Yeah? That's why Judas betrayed him. Jealousy.
You know, I'll never forgive you. No, I'll never forgive you for what you did to me.
The man had a right to know.
Yes, but not from the likes of you. You broke up my marriage to Danny, you, and I'll never forgive you.
You know, say you really enjoy the hurt and pain that you cause women. Me not care what you have to say about me. But Max just get married, and you go and tell her beloved Danny how much you did cock her up, and how you did here with her. Eh? How you expect Danny for the...
He's not a man, he's a dirty man.
This man had a right to know.
Shut up and come on.
I want to tell
you know, I should really kill you.
Well, Cynthia, kill me.
But I'm not going to. I'll leave you to the Almighty. What goes around comes around.
You're just a dirty old man snapper.
Your life serves no purpose.
Hey, you want to shut up? Yeah, look away, look happy. Yeah? Because none of you is a better than me. Yeah? Because you want to retire old whore. Yeah? When you come here, come like somebody. Hey, listen, at least me have an excuse.
And what is that?
Hey, listen, you see when my man down there, when you get up a morning time, I will see a woman and when him stand up. Right? Me not have control over that. Him have a mind of him own. Here, it's just a physical response to an external stimulus. Yeah? And if that is my purpose in life, but so be it. But woman like Uno, make a conscious decision to have sex with a man. Yeah? Look down. Come talk to me.
Michelle, look at me. Look at me, Michelle. Your baby has a reason to be here. Yeah. Whether it lives for 2 minutes or 2 years, it has a reason to be here.
Well, the reason is to cause me pain and make my husband leave me.
No.
Look, you're all my friends, and I wouldn't want you to judge me, but if this happened to any of you, then you'd think and feel the same way that I do. That's right. We can all chat, but no, we can really feel Michelle pain.
Well, I beg to differ.
No, Ginger's right. I mean, you all carry on like you're saints, but you and Delicious just got arrested for attempting to murder your husband's child.
Look, Michelle, I know you're not feeling well at the moment, you see, but don't push your luck.
No. Chloe's been living in denial all her life. My baby's not normal, and she never will be. I'm sorry, Chloe. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh, come on. Come on, everyone, group hug. Come on. Not you. Come on, Ginger, you as well, you old bag. Come on.
No.
Just come on and stop acting tough.
There we are, you see? Now, I suppose she is right, you know. None of us do know what you're going through, but I know I speak for us all when I say we're here for you.
Well, thank you all so much, my friends.
Oh. I suppose now would be a good time for me to have a cry. You know, let it all out. I can't just break down, though. I just can't do it.
Just shake your eye, ball. That's where the fit, let it go.
You see? This is what men put us through, and we just have to deal with it.
Why do men lie? Why can't they just stick to one woman?
True, because all of the cock it up and give to them still gone on road.
We lie too.
We don't lie, we just fix up reality. And the man them can't deal with the truth.
Well, certainly it's not the marriage I wanted. Infidelity. I mean, my husband fathering another woman's child while he's married to me. Oh, never known pain like this. What's your problem, Ginger? I believe in loyalty. That's so hard for you to understand.
You forget what it was.
Yeah, that was work and it was different.
Sometimes it is our fault, you know.
What do you mean?
Even when we know the men are taken, we still go after them. Why do we do that? We're just setting up ourselves to be hurt.
You know, a man has never really made love to me. I mean,
tell me something, Max. Have you ever thought of tying your man so that he doesn't leave you?
Many times. What? Every woman has the same ability to tie her man. If I could tie Danny, I would, just to make sure nobody else get their hands on him.
Tie make him be a burden to me.
Yeah, but they're not... Ladies, they're not your property.
Oh, but they are.
Man must get used and abused.
So how do you tie a man then? With rope?
Making some sweat rise.
Oh, that sounds horrible. How does it work?
That's delicious.
You know, the first time I met Snapper, I knew he was the man for me. And since then, I've been faithful to him and him alone. I've never wanted another man since I met Snapper. But he's too girly, and I can't deal with it. I mean, I know all about his affairs, right? And each time I find out, he promises me it will be the last time. So I take him back. And then he goes back and he does the same thing again, or even worse. I mean, I resorted to start stalking him. Yes. Night after night, I would drive around in my car, following him. Just watching to see who he was with, where he was going. I mean, I searched his pockets, I checked his mobile phone, I read his emails. I even searched the bin, just trying to find an address, a number, anything. Then one day I looked in the mirror, and I didn't like what I saw. I realized I was hurting myself, that I was the problem. I also realized that I was the solution. You know, I even tried to kill him once.
Kill him raw, sis.
I caught him in our bed with another woman. That was the last straw for me.
So do we know the woman?
You mean, was it me?
That's not important now. I took a kitchen knife to him. My God, did I stab him. I stabbed him repeatedly. You know what made me stop? Just seeing him lying on the floor in his own blood.
So make you never finish him off.
Why didn't you go after the woman?
Max, that's not her fault. You don't know what he told her.
Yeah?
She was just a pawn in his game.
She knew you and Snapper were an item.
Well, on this occasion, you're right. She was my sister.
What?
Should I just make the little folk bleed to death? Instead of that, no, I hurt a woman.
Ginger, I know all about you and Snapper. I know you have an history.
And Maxine.
I know that. Oh, I couldn't leave him to die. I just couldn't leave him to die. I love him too much.
So did he press charges?
No. I nursed him back to health, my Snapper.
And let me guess, he went right back to where he started.
Just as if he never learned a thing.
Darling, I never knew you went through this. Why didn't you tell me?
Shame. I was too ashamed to say anything to you guys.
Do you know what? My mum went through this with my dad. Infidelity. I mean, she tried to hide it from us. She was never going to be able to face the truth, though. He was a player. He was never going to change.
Maybe that's why you can't face the truth about Oscar.
Probably.
Marvelous! Bloody marvelous! I almost cried my eyes out there listening to you lot.
Snapper, I thought you were gone. I didn't realize you were still here.
Ouch! Yes! You're still there, but may I leave now?
Yes, I know. Go on. You're going to your slut again, aren't you?
Hey, she's not a slut here. She's not a slut. You want to follow me? You want the address? You want to follow me and come look what I want? Hey, listen, even me have an affair. Are you driving? You cause it, you drive me to it, yeah?
Tell me this, Snapper. What has she got that I haven't got?
Baby love, everything, hear me? Everything. Firm body, firm boom boom, firm titty.
I don't understand. understand you, Snapper. Just 20 minutes ago, you told me that you loved me.
Did I? Well, listen, you killed me love long time ago when you stabbed me with the kitchen knife, yeah?
Snapper, I don't understand you. You said you'd never leave me.
Did I? Damn, that was just semantics.
Semantics? Oh, what does that mean?
Look for one dictionary, you must say somewhere. Look it up. Look it up.
Look, Snapper, I believed you when you said we had a future together. I believed you.
No, you didn't.
I do now.
Well, it's too late, dear. Too late shall be your call, right? Listen.
Look, Snapper, please.
What? Listen, is this little charade for all your friend them?
No.
Well, all right. Since everything is always my fault, all right? Everything is my fault. All right, you don't have to worry again. Me done, you're done. Me gone.
Snapper, don't you dare say that to me. Don't you dare. I love you.
You don't love me. You need me.
Oh, yes, I do need you. Yes, Snapper, I need you. Oh, please, don't leave me. I'm begging you.
Delicious,
I'll do anything you say.
Stop it, Delicious. Don't beg him.
That's right. No begging, man. I'm about to wipe one.
Okay. Okay, Snapper. Just answer me this one question.
What?
Do you love her?
Why?
Because I'm pregnant.
You know who breed you? What the father?
It's yours, Snapper. You know that. It's yours.
Mine. Listen to me now. 50-year-old woman like you not to breed. Yeah, as a matter of fact, no longer need I tell you to breed. Yeah, leave it to the young girl them.
I'm telling you, Snapper, it's yours.
You see you? When a man desperate, then use pregnancy as a trap. Is that what you're doing delicious?
No.
Because right now, there is nothing delicious about you, you know?
No, I never do that to you. I'm telling you the truth. It's yours.
Listen to me. Listen to me. Just stop.
Snapper, listen. Please, we can start again. Let's try and make it right.
Congratulations, Delicious.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, congratulations.
No!
What about my baby? Nobody cares about my baby.
Oh, shh.
You know, stop being such a jerk. Give her a hug.
What did that from the truck?
Not her.
Hey, me know what? Sure. Me tell you something want to the picnic. Me don't like picnic, I'm a pest, yeah? Sure.
You're not a bad-looking man. You're just hard to look at.
Yeah. See, that's what, sure. The thought that you carry my opinion with a knot, sure, just disgust me.
Snapper, please. Let's give it another try. Come on.
Listen.
Snapper,
Don't
please.
bother me. Yeah, listen to me. Don't call me. Don't text me. Because all you do is vex me. Erase me from your mind.
Snapper, darling. Honey, where did we go wrong? I guess you all think I'm a fool, right?
One dumb Ross.
Ignore, Delicious. Let's ignore. It's obvious you're not over him yet.
Oh, God. If only I could hate him.
Well, when me did that with him, I never say a thing for love.
Delicious, go and have another drink.
Thank you.
Ginger,
What?
I was wondering if you could do me a favour. Have a word with Oscar. Convince him that he's made a mistake.
Would you really take him back, Chloe?
Oh, definitely.
And what makes you think he would listen to me?
Well, you two have got this sort of special bond.
Well, it wouldn't work.
Why not?
We tried already.
What do you mean? Oh, my God! You knew my husband was having an affair behind my back and you didn't tell me? I can't believe you, Ginger. How long have you known?
So what you get so excited for? 2 years now. Me try to tell him to cut it out, but him just not listen.
You watched while he destroyed my life for 2 years, but you loved every minute of that.
Oh, just forget it. That's long gone.
I can't do that. He's the only thing I've got left. He's the only thing that matters to me.
What are you killing up yourself about Oscar for? Huh? He doesn't want you. Oscar does not want you.
How can you say that, Max? You of all people. Did you let Daddy go? Oh. Now I get it. You knew too. Oh, you all knew. You all knew about it. You've been laughing behind my back.
We all knew. Every one of us us inside here knew except you. Eve made a pass at both myself and Delicious. No worry, honey, we turn him down.
Yeah, we did. Oh, great, thanks. Yeah, I feel so much better now.
No, you see why we can't tell her nothing? Because you won't listen to the truth. Everything is Oscar this and Oscar that, and the whole time we all knew what he was doing.
I don't care. You should have told me. I suppose it's because I'm white.
So how colour come in at this now? Eh? Okay, yeah, so he dumped you.
He did not dump me.
You're not the first to get dumped, and you won't be the last.
Do you know what? You've all betrayed me, every single one of you. Keeping my husband's dirty little secrets. No, I don't think I could ever forgive you.
We were protecting you.
How? Can you help me get him back? No, I don't think so. I got to work this out for myself. Okay. So there was a time a while ago when we weren't getting on so well, and I didn't think I even loved my Oscar anymore. That must have been when he met her. Oh my God. It's all my fault, isn't it?
Yeah, it's all your fault. You feel better now?
Well, you didn't sleep with anyone. He did.
Yeah, but what's worse, Max? Me telling my husband I don't love him, or him sleeping with someone else?
Well, you telling him that you don't love him, that's worse. That's giving him permission to do whatever he wants.
Right, exactly.
So what would you have done if we had told you?
Fight. Fight for my man. Getting him back is the only thing that matters to me.
Well, anytime I want a man, me just click my finger. Anything me want them to do, me just click my finger.
Quite finished now? Yeah, well, that doesn't exactly work for me, Ginger.
Do you know what? Men are unscrupulous, ignorant, domineering pigs. He used you, Chloe.
No. I could have done more to save my marriage.
What you take up feel for? Eh? What does any man know about love? Oscar is a serious philanderer. I only me one inside us that knows that Oscar is a cowardly little piece of shit.
Now, you listen to me, Ginger. My husband and my marriage are the two most important things in my life. I don't expect you to understand that. You see, I can't just click my finger, use people, and then throw them away. No, I can't start all over again. I won't do it. I mean, how could I ever trust another man again?
Click your finger.
No, Oscar. A happy man doesn't dwell in the past or long for the future. He lives in the present.
But Inspector, the present cannot deliver anything for a man. To find true happiness, he has to live in the moment.
What are you two talking about?
Yeah, come and understand what them are saying.
We're having an intellectual discussion. You'll be out of your depth. I hear what you're saying, sir, but nature dangles happiness and meaning before man.
But he cannot have both.
But why not?
Well, it's quite simple, really.
How's that, sir?
Because he can't choose.
Yes, I think you're right, sir.
Inspector, why are we here?
To share information. I'm closing in on the case of Nicole's murder.
And you suspect one of us?
Or somebody known to you.
So you invited us here to arrest us?
If you've committed an arrestable offence.
No, play games with me, boy.
This is a murder investigation. I've called you all together tonight, gentlemen, for a better understanding of my prey.
Us. We're your prey.
May I remind you, Inspector, that you're not the great white hunter, and this is not Africa.
You're right with the first part. Black people are my prey. I don't understand them, how they tick.
That's not surprising.
Careful, Inspector. Careful of the direction you're going with this.
Okay, let me sum up what I know about black people. I know that you people come from slave stock. I also know that the white man captured, educated, and civilized you.
Educator. And you talk nonsense, man. Black people were the original people on the planet.
Well, you buggered that up, sir, didn't you?
Hey, listen, how we educated you with our rich history.
Sorry, I can't quite follow what you're saying, sorry. But I'm sure it's fascinating. Do tell me more.
Inspector, don't patronize us.
Wait, are you trying to say, Inspector, that the white man is more superior than us?
Is that a rhetorical question?
Look, to understand what motivates a killer, I need a better understanding of their culture, their background. What stimuli you people respond to. Huh? You understand that?
No, I can't understand that.
Inspector, what's wrong with you and this you people phrase? The word is black. That's what we are. We're black. Use it.
I thought you people... I thought black people didn't like to be called black, no? All right. So, then your parents arrived here as cleaners, as road sweepers, bus drivers, all the jobs that we didn't want. And, of course, we granted you this kindness in return for your loyalty to England. But what puzzles me most is this. Why, after all the suffering you've been through, why do you start killing each other? That I do not understand. And then there's your women.
Wait, what about them? What about the women? What about them?
Your women seem to put being black ahead of being women, or even human beings, for that matter. Everything they say is about how much they've suffered this or that as a black woman. They wear their blackness like a badge of shame on their foreheads, as if they expect some kind of special treatment. And now, because of the insanity of political correctness, we all have to tiptoe around these women just because of their pigmentation.
Do you know, I kind of agree a little bit there with the inspector.
Oscar, how can you agree with that?
No, hold on a minute, Snapper. What? Are you afraid of the truth? Sometimes it's good to realize how other people perceive us. Carry on, Inspector, carry on.
What about your children? Do you think they can offer society anything? Well, do you?
Somebody can box that man in the mouth.
The question, sir, is this. Who is it that's bringing up these unruly black boys and girls you see on the streets? Huh? Well, isn't it their black mothers? Huh? Your women. Gentlemen, your women are so full of hatred towards you. Their lovers, their unfaithful husbands that they couldn't control, who've left them for someone else, someone better.
You mean like a white woman?
Huh? Quite. I myself would never go out with a black woman.
No black woman, no want you.
They're producing pointless, broken offspring, sir.
Most of whom are dead by the time they reach 15?
Absolutely. This is how the black woman gets revenge on the man she couldn't control, poisoning the minds of his children against him.
And she will never admit to what she's done.
No.
That's because they can't see it. So what can we do?
Well, it's down to role models.
What? Like 50 Cent and Beanie Man? No. How can those people help our children when they can't even help themselves? Now, let me tell you something. The problem, it lies with us. It lies with the men.
Gentlemen, enough of this psychoanalysis. Inspector, can we move on, please?
Yes, as you wish. I've conducted a number of background checks on each one of you as individuals.
We are to compare with her.
Inspector, the only question I want answered this evening is, who murdered my little girl?
Of course, you're not alone. I have to clear up a few matters, though, before I can make an arrest.
Okay.
Is it one of us?
Yes. I believe that one of you here was involved.
Well, me one of me.
Oscar, how long were you married to Nicole's mother before you married Chloe?
Well, I don't know, maybe about 5-6 years.
4 years, to be precise.
So if you know that already, why you better ask the man?
Well, I'll take your word for it, yeah.
In 1997, with the help of your current wife, Chloe, didn't you fake your own kidnapping to get your hands on the money? Well, Oscar?
Why would I do that?
Oh, come on, Oscar. Like all black men, you dabbled in drugs.
That's a lie!
Is it? Your IT business was failing. You desperately needed a cash injection. Indeed, I have the files here, Oscar. Denial is no longer an option for you, but Nicole's mother caught you, didn't she? Not only raiding the money from the trust fund, but also in your affair with Chloe, and then by an eerie coincidence, she died in a fire. A raging inferno which also took the life of her daughter. A fire which you started. Do you deny that, sir? Will you confess?
To what? Supposition. Can you prove any of this, Inspector? It sounds like lies and fabrications made up by you. All right. I had an affair with Chloe. But you can't arrest me for that. You'd have to arrest half of the men out there if that was a crime.
Instinct. Instinct tells me you were partly responsible for these crimes. Fact. You're not the biological father of those twins, are you? Which, of course, would explain why you behaved so coldly the night that Nicole died. You didn't even want to see her. And if you realise what I knew...
What do you mean?
Oh, come on, Oscar. Unless you want to make this a very long night for all of us. Just admit that you know the twins aren't yours.
All right. They're not mine.
That is why you were able to raid the trust fund, Oscar, and have them killed.
You're right about one thing, you know, Inspector. When I met the twins' mother, she was about 2 months pregnant. Yeah. She didn't tell me they were mine. She lied to me. Yeah, she put it on me and said, yes, they are yours, but you're right. I found out about 2 years later, after I took this DNA test. Do you know what it's like for a man to find out that the children that he has raised are not his own?
I wonder, do you know who is the father of the twins?
No, I don't, and I don't care either.
You are looking me for. I never even met a woman.
I have their mother's diary here. She kept an impeccable list of who she'd slept with and when she slept with them. And here named as the father of the twins, Mr. Kendrick Fisher.
Kendrick?
Alias Kung Fu.
I told you.
Kendrick?
I never met a woman before, and I've never slept with a prostitute.
Another one of your 30 seeds you forgot about, eh?
Don't provoke me, boy.
Kung Fu, I have 2 birth certificates here, each bearing your signature as the father.
Show me. That was a long time ago.
10 years is no time at all.
Inspector, can I leave?
And then we have JP.
And what about JP?
You did time in prison, didn't you?
JP?
My wife Ginger set me up, but I did my time for that, okay?
Yes, JP, you know you do, but what you do? JP?
Not that it's any of your business, but I was falsely accused of inappropriately touching one of my clients.
What?
Traces of your semen were found in her mouth. While she was under anesthetic.
Anyway, to shame about. I know nothing that to shame about.
You, sir, were in a position of trust and you abused it.
I did no such thing.
But that's not all. I have more information on file here.
And what else do they say?
That, you did time in prison for sleeping with rent boys you found on the internet.
I was framed!
Ah, that's what they all say.
I have a son who's a pervert.
I am not, I tell you.
Hello? Good. And you've arrested her? No, I'll be there shortly. Wonderful news, gentlemen. The breakthrough we've all been waiting for. I want you all to stay here until I return.
Why are you coming back?
To make an arrest. One of you's going to prison for a very long time.
Father of twins, and you can't even remember anything about them.
At least I never slept with a man.
JP, stop. Me can't believe you gone that way. Eh?
I am not gay.
That's why you don't hug me up there and here. Eh? Stop. And I'm even convincing and I'm even try to convince. I inspect a gadget. We just got to door, yeah? I have your file.
Listen. JP, you can't blame your father for any of this. The twins' mother was a complete liar.
I know what you're saying, Oscar. But it seems as if the inspector is hell-bent on arresting at least one of us for her death. What's wrong with you, Oscar?
I think I've made a mistake with my wife.
What?
What?
What? Where you worry about she for? She don't gone about her business already. You left her. Make she see that rotten. Where you worry about?
Hold on a minute, Snapper. I happen to value our relationship.
So why you have an affair? Why you have an affair?
How could I have been so stupid?
Oh, I take it that things didn't work out between you and that Mavis girl you were so besotted with.
So hold on. You expect anything to work out with that girl named like Mavis?
Look, listen. I'm not trying to make excuses, okay, for my wife, but if she'd just taken a little bit more care of me, I wouldn't have strayed. I was just yearning for my wife to show me a little bit of love and affection. And then when she told me that she loved someone else, I just lost it.
So why you think your wife stopped loving you?
The man cocky gone soft.
Listen, Snapper, if you can't say anything intelligent, like now, just keep your mouth shut, please. Yeah? Shut it. She started to go to church.
What? A white woman taking up church? Now that is impossible.
I listen, when they find God, you know, no more pum pum for you.
Listen, I'm telling you. Mavis, she gave me everything that was lacking in my marriage.
I can tell you what that is. Tender, loving care, huh?
I'm telling you, brother, and some passionate lovemaking. Oh my God, was that lovemaking passionate?
Well, Chloe must have given you all them things.
Yes, she did, but then she started to get comfortable. She felt as though she didn't have to make an effort. Every time I tried to spice up the sex life, nothing.
Huh. She's having an affair.
What? Chloe, give me Oscar bun.
Huh. Without cheese.
No. She's no slag, man. She's not like some of those whores that you sleep around with, Snapper. She's not like that.
Well, if he's been complain about them, let me tell you, man, there's more than one way to find out if your woman a cheat on you. Here, one, if she was as meek as a lamb, and all of a sudden, she start tear up the sheet and I kick and I scream and I cry like a banshee. Eh? Trust me, and next man, now you can't shop and eat out your sweetie.
Most women think that men are idiots.
Yeah. Look, listen. Have any of you guys ever been in love? You know that feeling when you just can't stop thinking about the woman for a second. Yeah. And every time you do, the hair on the back of your head just stands up.
Oscar, where you get here if you stand up on your back of your head? Star, something for me stand up better than your hair on the back of your head.
You know what? I know Chloe loves me, man. I just can't handle the fact that she might be out there sleeping with another man.
Then you don't stay there and suffer. Yeah, then you know, say next man will fuck your wife, don't. And I could ask somebody you know.
But you know, Oscar, it's the same thing for Chloe, though, you know. You're going around having an affair with a woman who is half her age. How do you think that makes her feel?
Listen, guys, I know a lot of what you're saying is true, but let me tell you the real reason why I think Chloe's behaving like this. She's going through her early menopause. Ooh. And I just can't handle all the sudden mood changes and mood swings, man. It's just too much.
Star, you did a woman who go through her menopause,
yeah.
And you see Larry there? Star, left her. We are doing again, we go through her menopause, and our body soon pop down. Star, you still have Mavis doing?
Right, yeah.
So we had with our tough Chloe. Make a young whoever, go fight, let your tough girl man.
Snapper,
what?
Do you know that scientists have proven that men do go through a version of menopause? It's called andropause.
Shut your shit, you andro. Yeah. Let me tell you, man. Menopause is about cycle. Yeah, men don't have cycle. You andro fuck off. Yeah. Let me tell you, man. Andropause is just some American hype to sell more Viagra. Yeah, what?
Well, I believe in monogamy, having one sexual partner at a time.
But JP, you can do better. Eh? You can't get no woman unless you're non-aesthetic.
Apart from Ginger.
Listen, let me ask you a question, Snap. Do you, the snapper, do you ever get jealous?
Me, Star, jealous, nah, man. Jealous of a weakling, Star, but sometimes we pretend, just to make the woman them feel good. Yeah, Star, me's an alpha male. No woman can control me. Yeah,
alpha male.
What is
Alpha male. No woman can control him. Alpha male. That's what you want to try.
Star, you see all your woman, Chloe? Where? He's a good woman, Star.
Chloe, darling, I didn't see you like.
What do you mean? What?
There.
My life's just an open book for you and your friends to have a good old laugh about, isn't it? You just trample over me and my feelings.
Oh, come on, sweetheart.
Don't you sweetheart me. I heard what you said about how I'm too old for you, about how you don't want me because I'm approaching menopause, about how you think you're more desirable to younger women. This menopause is ruining my life. I know I'm past it. Yeah, I know I've got hot flushes. I know sex is painful.
Oh, come on.
How am I meant to get through this menopause when you don't longer love me? Do you know what? It's my birthday today. Oh, yeah. How long have we been married? Can't even remember my birthday. So what are you going to do about it?
About what?
About us. I want you to come home, Oscar. I want things to be the way they were, for us to be a family again.
I don't know.
What? Oh, just get out, Snapper.
No, wait a minute, darling. Leave Snapper alone. He's all right. He's my friend. He didn't
No,
mean
I
nothing.
don't want him here. And what do you mean you don't know?
Well, I've got a pass.
I don't care about that. Just come home. I heard what you were saying, you know, Snapper. Trying to convince Oscar I've been having an affair? Well, you're wrong. I love Oscar, and what possible reason would I have to cheat on him?
All women cheat, yeah? That's a fact. All women cheat.
Listen, you little wanker. I don't like you. I don't care what you think. You see, I love Oscar, and I would never, ever cheat on him. Nicole? Oh my God! Nicole, you're alive! Ease up, Del. Should you even be drinking?
Just give me a break, Chloe. What's the problem? What will a few drinks do?
Oh, I don't know. The baby.
What baby? Oh, for goodness sake, me? Pregnant? I'm over 50, for God's sake. What would I be doing with a child?
So you lied to Snapper?
Sorry?
You lied to Snapper?
Yeah. I know you wouldn't understand this, Miss Goody-Goody Two-Shoes, but even though I love Snapper, I still find the need to control the little bastard.
But what would you have done if he'd have wanted the baby? If he'd have wanted to stay with you, what then?
Tell him the truth. I lost the baby.
Unbelievable. You were never even pregnant.
That's right. But what do men know? It's my body. Trap is Ross, yes?
Beats me why you'd want to trap that promiscuous little shit anyway. I mean, he'd just leave you in the end.
Yeah, that's true. But even a man like Snapper, you still find the need to hold on to him. Hang on. Hang on. Are you trying to tell me to get rid of him?
Oh, no. Wouldn't get involved with any of that.
Okay.
I feel like a prisoner. Chloe, are you okay with this? Why has the inspector asked us to be here? I've got an appointment at the hairdresser's and I'm going to be late.
And that is all you want now.
Yes, Ginger. I have to look good for my man 24/7.
Who, Danny? Him left, you remember?
Newsflash, we're back together.
Oh, congratulations, Max.
Thank
I'm
you.
scared.
Come on, scared of what? You haven't done anything.
That inspector is up to something, I can tell. I mean, can you believe he didn't even tell me Nicole was alive?
For what? I had the number one suspect.
Yeah, regardless, I'm her mother and he should have told me. I mean, have you any idea what me and Nicole have been through? What it's been like for me to bring up a black child? All those questions she would ask me. If you're my mummy, why are you white and I'm black?
Just tell her the truth.
I always do. But the looks I'd get from people, piercing stares, my own people calling me a sellout. I mean, there was this one...
What is it? What is it?
What the fuck's that wrong with us, man? We are fighting the bar.
A rat?
Yes.
Where? There's no rat in my house. Now get hold of your doll.
It's okay, Michelle. I see the rat as well. Yes, I saw it.
So, Ginger, How are you?
You want something delicious?
No.
Well, no question me.
I'm just trying to be supportive.
Why? Me look like me need support?
Well, I heard that JP threw you out.
Well, no make that bother you. Because me replace that already. Me just click my finger.
With a married man, no doubt.
So you spy on me now? Huh?
Look, there's no need to be hostile, Ginger. I'm only trying to be friendly.
No, you come to gloat over my breakup and my imprisonment. But don't be too fast to pity me, seeing that you can't even control your own man.
JP was a good man, Ginger.
So make you not go there with him.
Lighten up.
No, if you want him, take him. You can even swap him for your precious Danny. I won't mind, I promise.
You know, you have a chip on your shoulder. We are not the enemies here.
You see, as soon as the investigator done, you know what I have to do? Me and Uno, the whole of friendship and me done. Oh.
Weird. Is how so much pum pum in one room? Look for them now. The meeting of the RWA, the Retired Boards Association. Here. We got plan to kill a man tonight.
Hello, Ginger.
Drink, JP?
GNT for me.
I didn't ask you, and I thought I made it clear you're not welcome in my home. Oh,
Just a small one, please, Chloe.
Yes, Chloe, that's a small one for JP. That's all him can manage.
Why you pushing up your frowsy self on me? See a woman there.
Hey, every day that God said you look more beautiful. Eh? Hey, do the rest all far, them not do me a favor, no? And stop be so perfect. Eh?
Listen to me, Snapper. Danny and I are back together, right? And I'm not interested, okay?
Okay, sir.
Delicious, please put a leash on your man. Snapper, you've been warned.
There we go. There we go. Ah, good evening, ladies.
hi, Oscar.
Hi, Oscar.
God bless my eyesight. You ladies look stunning.
A pum pum, ya look. Ya look too.
Has the inspector arrived yet?
Do you see Oscar?
No, I don't, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Listen, I don't know if you've heard, but apparently the inspector believes that someone in here tonight is the murderer.
Now, he said two, he said two.
Well, I know that I am innocent.
I know who the murderer is. I think it's Oscar woman Chloe.
What reason would I have to kill someone, Snapper?
Me not know.
Well, shut it then.
Someone.
What?
You called Nicole someone. She's supposed to be your daughter, remember?
Yeah, I mean here when she accused you of hurting her.
What is this? My friends think I'm actually capable of hurting Nicole.
When we are not your friend.
No, hold on a minute. Let's just stop all this witch hunting. It's obvious that the inspector has put us against each other. Now listen to me. Think about this. If Chloe was guilty, why would the inspector release her?
Lack of evidence.
Delicious, tell him I could never hurt Nicole. Delicious?
Well,
all right. If I'm guilty, then so are you.
look, Chloe, you know I've always defended you, whether I thought you were right or wrong. But I don't know. I don't want to go to prison. Not for you, not for anyone.
Well, it stands to reason then. It must be Chloe. She's the one with the motive, the most to gain.
Leave her alone!
What?
You're guilty.
I can't believe you're all treating me like this. I mean, still one of you, aren't I?
Well, Chloe, none of us had any reason to hurt Nicole. So it must be you. So just own up.
Oh, okay, fine. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I tried to kill Nicole. Oh, and her mother as well. Yeah, you forgot that one. There you go. Satisfied? Is that what you wanted to hear?
Chloe?
Look, Chloe, you really didn't do it, did you?
Of course I bloody well didn't.
Well, tell that to Judge now, you murderer.
Murderer! What is your problem, Michelle?
What about Ginger?
Oh, me the one that when you was went on
Are you?
You only accuse me. Come in about what my man like for you.
That's a lie. Do you hear me, Chloe? That is a lie. I did no such thing.
Well, you're a man and she's got no reason to lie.
Yeah, but I'm also your husband and you better believe me. I'm telling you, I would never touch that.
Not nice to be wrongly accused, is it, Oscar?
Aren't we overlooking one person?
Hey, two persons, two.
Max.
What's wrong with this old fool? As the balls fly into your head? Well, if I am guilty, so are you and your son.
Guilty of what?
Sleeping with a prostitute, fathering twins and then arranging for them to be bumped off? Thought I didn't know.
What reason would I have for killing the twins?
Not you, your son, JP.
And how did I come into this? I didn't touch not one of them.
Well, you're guilty of going to prison for being a batty man. Think of all the contacts you could have had in there. So think before you start pointing the finger.
I am not a body man.
Well, since Oscar's married to Chloe, then he must be involved as well.
And what would my motive be?
Nicole's trust fund.
What?
Oh, come on, Oscar. Don't play the unjustly accused here. Everybody knows that you're a liar and a cheat. You knew those twins weren't yours, yet you never told Chloe.
That's because I didn't want to hurt her. And also, I wanted the twins to be with me, and I just didn't.
Well, that's motive enough.
What about him?
Hello, Nicole, darling.
This child is a wonderful spirit. Thankfully, she has survived an horrific attempt on her life by someone in this room. Tonight, I will unmask that person.
We've already solved that case ourselves, Detective.
Yes.
We know who the murderer is.
And who would that be?
Ginger. She did it.
And how did you come to that conclusion?
Money. She's a greedy bitch.
So you think it was Ginger?
That's right.
No, you're wrong. I know she suffered, what with the loss of her father when she was 6, hated by her mother, raped by a gang of boys at school, abused by countless men. Her only power now is her body.
It is fast fading.
Dirty bitch. But she's not a murderer.
So who then?
Be patient.
Hang on, Detective. If Nicole isn't dead, then there's no crime, so you can't charge anyone. Excuse me, Detective, I'm speaking to you and I do not like to be ignored.
And you're the expert on criminal matters now, are you?
I take no notice of her. Answer me this. You've arrested most of us in this room for one reason or another and then released us. Why? When it's quite obvious that the real murderer here is this white trash.
Chloe, you say?
Yes, the pair of them. Oscar and Chloe.
What? You black people tend to be very religious, yes?
Still examining your prayer?
Who are we to question? Thou shalt not tempt the Lord thy God.
The Lord thy God? May I remind you, sir, that what's been done in the name of your God makes him the biggest mass murderer in history. Worse than Hitler.
Inspector.
What about the time of Noah when he flooded the earth with water, killing everything in its path?
Who gives a damn about that? Do your job and arrest them both.
All in good time, Michelle.
Who are we to question God's plans for us? We are sinners.
If you believe in that shit, it's no wonder your race is so backward, is it? Michelle, where is your twin sister?
Twin.
She's dead and good riddance to her.
Yes, I asked if you know where she is. Huh? She's buried with your daughter, isn't that right?
I don't know what you're talking about.
The person who tried to hurt you, are they in this room now? Yeah?
She's a child, Inspector. She doesn't understand.
Will you shut up, please? Think carefully. Is the person who tried to hurt you in this room right now? Yes? Okay. I want you to do something for me. I want you to go and touch the person who tried to hurt you. Can you do that?
Inspector, why are you putting her through
Will
this?
you
She
shut
doesn't
up,
know.
please? Off you go. I'll be right here. No need to be scared.
She's crazy. I have no reason to try to kill her.
Let's find out, shall we? That lady there you just touched, do you know her?
My mummy.
Your mummy's dead. You hear me? Dead, you little bitch. She's dead.
This is impossible. She must be confused. I knew Nicole's mother. It was Shelly Ann, and she was my best friend, and she's dead.
Yes. That is what Shelly Ann wanted you to think. With her face reconstructed with plastic surgery. It was actually Michelle, her sister, that died in that fire. Isn't that right, Shelly Ann?
That's right, Inspector. I'm surprised it took you this long. I fooled all of you.
This can't be right. I mean, I would have known.
Would you now, you cow? With all the plastic surgery that I had to reconstruct my face and change my appearance. And if that kid had stayed dead, then I would have gotten away with it.
But why?
Revenge.
What about the Down syndrome baby that you...
Ah, you fools! Stupid people! I adopted a Down syndrome child that I knew didn't have long to live. To have my revenge.
Jesus. Revenge on who? One of us? We all love Nicole.
Me? Shelly Ann?
Shut up, you thieving little slut. I hate you. You destroyed my life!
Oh my God! Oh, stop it!
Yeah.
Back. Enough. Officers, hold them apart. Just stay back. That's not going to help anything. Enough.
Come on, Michelle! Get out of the way! Get out of the way! Get out of the way if you value your life! Get out of the way! Michelle, come on!
Enough. Officers, now! Keep her there. Enough.
get revenge on me and Chloe.
That's right, Oscar. I loved you unconditionally. And you betrayed me, your wife. I've waited 9 years for this, to see you two suffer for what you did to me.
You may remember there were 2 people involved. Maybe we should talk to JP.
JP? JP?
Why me?
Because you were the mastermind behind it all. You killed Nicole, and you tried to frame Chloe by murdering Bam Bam because he was onto you.
What?
Now, don't do anything stupid.
JP! Do it! Slash her throat, JP! Do it! Do it, JP! Slash her throat! Do it! Slash her throat! Do it! Do it!
Whoa!
Nobody moves.
You'll not get away with this, JP, I can assure you.
We'll see about that white boy.
JP, man.
Michelle, come over here.
And don't do anything stupid, okay?
If any harm comes to that child, I'll hunt you down and kill you, JP. You hear me?
So you do prefer your other children over
Well,
me?
just calm down, everybody. Nothing is going to happen to Natasha. Nothing.
Natasha!
That's right. This is the other twin they tried to get rid of. We traced her to a children's home where she'd been abandoned.
That's a lie.
Just calm down.
Michelle, get the door.
I was worried.